You've probably heard the rumors about Apple's first foldable iPhone, and we already know Apple isn't just entering the foldable race, it's trying to solve the biggest problem that's haunted every foldable phone so far: the crease. Yeah, that visible line running down the middle of folding displays. No matter how advanced the tech gets, it's always there, reminding you that you're not using a perfect screen. But now, Apple might finally have a way to make it almost disappear. And it starts with something you wouldn't expect: a 3D printed hinge. According to reports coming out of China, the upcoming iPhone Fold will use a completely new hinge design built using advanced 3D printing techniques. And this isn't just about making parts lighter or cheaper, it's about precision at a microscopic level. Apple is reportedly engineering the hinge so precisely that it minimizes uneven pressure across the display when folded, which is one of the main causes of that annoying crease. But here's where it gets even more interesting. This isn't entirely new technology. In fact, Oppo already did something very similar with its Find N6. They introduced what they call a Titanium Flexion Hinge, created using 3D liquid printing technology. And the results? A zero-feel crease experience that's so subtle you can barely notice it unless you're looking for it. What Oppo did was incredibly clever. They used laser measurements to detect microscopic differences in hinge depth, literally variations you can't even see, and then applied layers of 3D printed liquid polymer to even everything out. The result was a smoother, more uniform fold and a hinge that's both slimmer and more durable than previous designs. Now, imagine Apple taking that idea and pushing it even further. Because Apple doesn't just copy, it refines, perfects, and integrates. Reports suggest that the iPhone Fold could combine this 3D printed hinge with other advanced materials like liquid metal and dual-layer glass. That combination could make the hinge not only incredibly strong, but also flexible enough to distribute stress evenly across the display. And that's the key, because the crease isn't just a cosmetic issue, it's a physics problem. When a screen bends, stress concentrates in one area. But if Apple can spread that stress perfectly using a highly precise 3D printed hinge, the crease could become nearly invisible in everyday use. And Apple has already been quietly preparing for this. They've been using 3D printing in their products for a while now, like in the titanium structures of the Apple Watch, and even in components like the USB-C port on the iPhone. The advantage? Less material waste, more efficiency, and most importantly, extreme precision manufacturing that traditional methods just can't match. So this isn't a sudden move, it's part of a bigger shift. And if all of this comes together, the iPhone Fold might not just be another foldable phone, it could be the first one that actually feels seamless. No distracting crease, no compromise in design, just a display that folds and unfolds like it's supposed to. But here's the real question. If Apple actually pulls this off, will it finally make foldables mainstream? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.